In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find lost deals in Pipedrive. We'll keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go from your home page, how to open the deals section, where to find the filter menu, and how to show only the deals that have been marked as lost. This is helpful when you want to review outcomes, analyze patterns, or prepare a follow-up strategy. Start on your Pipedrive homepage. This is your main dashboard where you'll see an overview of your sales work. The layout can vary slightly depending on your permissions and the features your team uses, but the navigation we'll use is the same for everyone. Take a second to let everything load fully so all menus are active. Next, head to the Deals area on the left side of the screen. Click Deals to open your pipeline. Depending on your settings, you might see a board-style view with columns for each stage or a list view with rows. Either is fine. The important part is that you're now in the section where all your opportunities live. At the top, you'll typically see controls related to the pipeline and filtering. We'll use those in a moment. Now look toward the top of the Deals view for the filter dropdown. It's usually positioned above your deals, near other view controls. Click the filter menu to open the available options. This menu lets you quickly switch between sets of deals, such as active, won, and lost, without having to build custom conditions. It's designed to help you focus on exactly what you need. From the filter options, choose All Lost Deals. As soon as you select it, your view will refresh to show only deals that have been marked as lost. You'll notice the page label or the filter indicator update to confirm you're looking at lost deals. Each deal card or row typically shows key details like the deal title, organization or contact, value, owner, and when it was marked lost. This makes it easy to scan outcomes and spot patterns, like which stages see the most drop-off or which types of deals tend to close unsuccessfully. If your list appears empty, it may simply mean there aren't any lost deals in the current view or that your access is limited. Also remember that what you see can depend on the pipeline and visibility settings set by your team. That's all there is to it. From your home page, go to Deals, open the filter dropdown, and select All Lost Deals to immediately surface every deal marked as lost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.